Want to know how to add a table of contents to your website in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WP admin on your correct site or your favorite site. Now, once you're there, just simply hit towards pages right here and make sure you are under your existing page, or you can just create a new page as well by simply clicking right here, that is add page. Now, once you've opened up an existing page, you should be directed to an editor. Here on the top left side, you should be seeing this blue plus icon. Just simply select it and then scroll all the way down until you see designs. So right here you can see designs. Now right behind or right beside spacer, you should be seeing table of contents. So simply select it, and now your table of contents should be right here. So you can just simply select it to type in, and you can start adding heading blocks to create the table of contents. Headings with HTML anchors will be linked here. So you can just simply type in or add anchors, or just simply select this table of content icon right here. Now you can just simply select any one of these columns, details, or groups. I'll go for details for now, and that's it. You can just simply type it in anything that you want, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.